This is the brief on the orthogonality properties of the generalized cross product. All right, so we're going to dive into the really elegant geometric proof behind the generalized cross product. Now, why does this matter? Well, it's the tool you need to find a vector that's perfectly perpendicular to a whole bunch of other vectors. Super important stuff for advanced vector algebra. First up, let's talk about the setup. You start with a set of input vectors. The resulting vector, let's call it S, is what you get when you run them through a very specific, kind of complex mathematical operation. It's this operation that guarantees the result is perfectly perpendicular. Second, and this is the main idea, is what's called the orthogonality property. So what does that mean? It means the vector you get out, S, is always, and I mean always, at a perfect 90-degree angle to every single one of the vectors you started with. You can kind of picture those input vectors creating a plane, and this new vector just stands straight out from it. And finally, how do we know this for sure? Well, we verify it using the dot product. The math shows that if you take the dot product of your result S with any of the original input vectors, the answer is always 0. And you know, a dot product of 0 is the absolute mathematical signature of perpendicularity. It proves this isn't a coincidence. It's just what the cross product does. So this zero-sum check just confirms that the resulting vector is built, by its very design, to be perpendicular to all of its components.